What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to another workout. Today we're going to be hitting abs and core. Go ahead and grab your foam roller. We're not going to be foam rolling. This is just for these exercises. We need a prop. So grab your foam roller and your yoga mat. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into these workouts. Alright guys, starting off with sitting leg raises, bring the foam roller into both of your hands, lean your body slightly back, and we're going to bring our legs up to the foam roller. So the foam roller should be hitting the top of your feet if possible. Keep your core nice and engaged. Do it nice and slowly so you can hold your balance and hold yourself up. We've got 3 sets of 20. Let's get it, guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second rest. Moving into set 2, make sure you're keeping your back straight and you're engaging your core. Go ahead and take a 10-second rest. Moving into set 3, slow down and do it nice and easy. We're trying to focus on the form here, you guys. Don't rush through it. Last 20. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 15-second break. Moving into oblique twists. For this exercise, we're going to keep our feet on the ground. Take the foam roller in both of your hands and move it from side to side. Take it from right, up, center, and then down. Keep your core engaged and your back nice and flat. We've got 3 sets of 20. Let's get it, guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second rest. Moving into set 2. Go ahead and take a 10-second break. Moving into our last set, this is our last 20, you guys. Breathe through it, take it nice and slow. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 15-second rest. Moving into alternating leg ups. For this exercise, bring your hands behind you so you can slightly lean back. Bring your legs into a hover. So you should have one leg bent hovering, and then you should have one leg out that's going over the roller from side to side. Once you complete one side to side, bring that leg in, let it hover, put the other leg out, and complete a side to side. We've got 3 sets of 20. Let's get it, guys. Go ahead and take a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, make sure you're keeping your core engaged and your back flat. Try not to lean too far back. We want to keep the tension on our abs. And take a 10-second rest. All right, getting into set 3. This is our last set, you guys, last 20. Job. Give yourself a 15-second break. Next up, we're going to be doing side-to-side lifts. So for this exercise, keep your hands behind you so you can slightly lean back on them. Bring both of your legs above the foam roller into a hover, and we're gonna let one down on the side and then rotate. Keep your feet above hovering and keep your core nice and tight. We've got 3 sets of 20. Let's get it, guys. Go ahead and take a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, try not to lean too far back on your hands. You want to keep your body forward so you can keep the tension on your core. Flex that core, engage those abs. We're almost there. yourself a 10-second break. Last break, you guys. Enjoy this one. Okay, guys, this is our last set, last 20. Breathe through this one. We're almost done. Great job, you guys. I hope you enjoy these exercises. Give them a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.